Hello, and welcome back to Mama Lulu's Kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be an Arroz Con Gandules, which is a Puerto Rican dish. Let me show you the ingredients.
It is important to mention that many years ago I watched a family friend, Titi Lili, cook this recipe, and since then I have made this delicious dish for my family to enjoy, and it's definitely one of our favorite side dishes.
These are the ingredients for the Arroz Con Gandules. Right here I have gandules verdes. I also have a seasoning with, and another seasoning that has culantro and achiote, 2 garlics, cilantro, 1/4 of an onion, 2 cups of rice, 3 smoked pork chops, and just a little piece of this 2 bell peppers, the red and the green, and 1 cup of beer. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start by cutting the pork chops just in little cubes. And now the red bell pepper. I only need a small piece. And the green bell pepper. Again, we only need a small piece. And the onion. And here I have the cilantro. I'm just gonna remove the stem. And the garlic. Now I'm gonna open the can of gandules. And all the liquid that it has there, I'm gonna get rid of. And I'm gonna use 1 cup of beer. Here is the gandules already drained. And now let's take this to the stove to make the Arroz Con Gandules. In a medium saucepan, I'm going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to add the pork chops. And I'm going to cook them for approximately 5 minutes in medium heat. I just want to brown them a little bit. And now the pork chops are already lightly fried. Now we're gonna make the sofrito. We're gonna blend the 1/4 of an onion, the cilantro, the red and green bell peppers, and the garlic. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 3 cups of water. And we are going to blend. Now we're gonna add the sofrito. And the seasoning, culantro with achiote. And the other seasoning, which is azafran. I'm gonna mix. And I'm gonna add the 1 cup of beer. In the gandules. And before adding the rice, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this to a boil. This came to a boil, so now I'm gonna add the rice, which I have already rinsed. And I'm using Jasmin rice. We mix. We'll bring it to a boil again. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low, and I'm going to cover and let it cook for approximately 30 minutes.
The arroz con gandules have been cooking for approximately half an hour, so now let's check and see if this is ready. And it appears to be perfectly fine. It looks delicious. And now this is ready to serve. This is how the final dish looks. You can see the gandules, the smoked ham, and it looks absolutely delicious. Give this recipe a try and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.